When considering the best location for a commercial generator, there's more to it than simply choosing between an indoor or outdoor setup. Trailer-mounted generators provide an additional option that brings unique advantages. Each setup, indoor, outdoor, or trailer-mounted generators, come with specific pros and cons, and the right choice depends on your facility's operational needs, layout, and flexibility requirements. To start, assess your power requirements, space constraints, and whether you need a permanent or mobile power solution. Understanding these factors can help you decide if a fixed indoor or outdoor setup is ideal, or if a trailer-mounted generator better serves your operational needs. Indoor generator installation offers several key advantages, making it an appealing choice for facilities prioritizing protection and security. By placing a generator inside, it is shielded from harsh weather conditions such as heavy rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, which can accelerate wear and tear on outdoor units. Additionally, an indoor setup enhances security by reducing the risk of theft or vandalism, a crucial factor for businesses in high-traffic or unsecured areas. Another significant benefit is noise reduction. Buildings naturally dampen generator sound, minimizing disruptions to employees, customers, or neighboring properties. However, indoor installation also comes with challenges that must be carefully managed. Generators require proper ventilation systems to safely expel exhaust gases and dissipate heat, which can add complexity and cost to the installation. Space is another major consideration, as an indoor generator takes up valuable square footage that could otherwise be used for operational needs. Additionally, storing fuel indoors often involves strict regulatory compliance, requiring fire-rated enclosures, adequate ventilation, and spill containment measures. While indoor installation offers protection and security, these factors must be weighed against the additional requirements for ventilation, space, and fuel management. Outdoor generator installation is a practical choice for many commercial facilities due to its efficiency and ease of setup. One of its primary advantages is natural ventilation, as exhaust gases and heat dissipate freely without the need for complex ventilation systems. This reduces installation costs and simplifies compliance with air quality regulations. Additionally, placing the generator outdoors optimizes indoor space, allowing businesses to use their building interiors for core operations rather than dedicating valuable square footage to power generation. Another key benefit is simplified fuel access. Outdoor generators are often positioned near fuel tanks, making refueling more convenient and reducing the need for extensive fuel storage safety measures. However, outdoor placement also comes with challenges that must be addressed to ensure long-term reliability. Generators installed outside are exposed to the elements, requiring weather-resistant enclosures or canopies to protect against rain, snow, and prolonged sun exposure, which can lead to faster wear. Noise can also be a concern, as outdoor generators may generate sound levels that could disturb nearby businesses or residential areas, necessitating soundproofing solutions. Additionally, security risks must be considered. Outdoor generators are more vulnerable to theft and vandalism, making fencing, surveillance, and other protective measures essential for safeguarding the equipment. Despite these challenges, an outdoor installation remains a viable and efficient solution, with proper planning and protective measures in place. Trailer-mounted generators provide unmatched flexibility for businesses and industries that require mobile power solutions. Their mobility allows them to be easily transported to different locations, making them ideal for construction sites, outdoor events, disaster response efforts, and facilities needing backup power across multiple sites. Unlike permanent installations, these generators are perfect for temporary use, providing power without the need for a dedicated indoor or outdoor installation. Another significant advantage is rapid deployment. Trailer-mounted generators can be stationed and connected quickly, making them an excellent choice for emergency situations or short-term projects where power is needed immediately. However, trailer-mounted generators come with challenges that must be addressed to ensure reliability and security. Like outdoor generators, they are exposed to weather conditions, requiring protective enclosures to prevent damage from rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. Security is another concern, as their mobility makes them more vulnerable to theft. Implementing GPS tracking and remote monitoring can help mitigate this risk. Additionally, certain locations may have permitting and access restrictions for trailers, particularly in urban areas where movement and parking regulations could complicate deployment. Despite these considerations, trailer-mounted generators remain a valuable option for businesses needing portable, on-demand power solutions. Choosing the right generator setup for your business involves considering local regulations, accessibility needs, and long-term reliability. Compliance with local codes and regulations is a crucial factor, particularly for trailer-mounted units, which may require special permits or permissions if they are moved between locations. Depending on your jurisdiction, there may be restrictions on where and how generators can be deployed, especially in urban areas. Ensuring your setup aligns with local requirements can prevent delays and unexpected compliance issues. Access needs should also play a key role in your decision. If your business requires a permanent, always available power source, an indoor or outdoor generator installation may be the best option. These setups provide straightforward access and minimize the logistics involved in deployment. On the other hand, businesses that need power at multiple locations, such as construction companies, event organizers, or disaster response teams, may find a trailer-mounted generator to be the most practical solution. Its mobility allows for quick and efficient deployment wherever power is needed. Finally, reliability and weather protection must be taken into account. While trailer-mounted generators offer unmatched flexibility, they are exposed to the elements like outdoor units, which can impact performance in extreme conditions. Investing in weather-resistant enclosures, routine maintenance, and monitoring systems can help maintain reliability in all environments. By weighing these factors, businesses can make an informed decision that ensures a reliable power supply while meeting operational and regulatory requirements. At Weld Power Generator, we understand that every business has unique power needs, which is why our team is dedicated to helping you find the perfect generator solution, whether it's an indoor, outdoor, or trailer-mounted unit. Our experts take a comprehensive approach, evaluating your facility layout, operational demands, and regulatory requirements to recommend the best generator setup for your specific situation. Whether you need a permanent installation to ensure uninterrupted backup power or a mobile solution for flexible deployment, Weld Power Generator has you covered. One of the key advantages of working with Weld Power Generator is our ability to offer a wide range of options by partnering with multiple manufacturers. Instead of being limited to a single brand, we provide tailored recommendations based on performance, reliability, and budget, ensuring you receive the most effective power solution. From high-capacity standby generators to portable trailer-mounted units, we source equipment that aligns with your business's operational and financial goals. Beyond just supplying generators, we offer turnkey solutions and full project management to streamline the entire process. Our team handles everything from site assessments and permitting to installation and ongoing maintenance, ensuring your generator is ready when you need it most. We also provide remote monitoring and preventative maintenance programs to keep your power system operating at peak performance. No matter your industry or power requirements, Weld Power Generator is your trusted partner in securing a reliable, efficient, and customized generator solution. For expert guidance in selecting and implementing the best generator solution for your business, contact our sales team. We'll work with you to ensure your generator setup, whether permanent or mobile, is designed to keep your business running smoothly, no matter the demand.